Hello everyone. Today we are delving into the high-stakes world of digital marketing in 2026, specifically what I call the attribution arms race between two titans, Meta and Google. As we navigate this complex landscape, we see Meta's custom attribution facing off against Google's advanced measurement stack. The core message of today's presentation is that while both platforms are now handing you the dials to control how conversions are valued, the real winners will not be those who simply trust a single dashboard. Instead, success lies in your ability to reconcile these disparate data streams into a single, coherent narrative for your business. Let us explore how to master these tools. Let us begin by identifying the fundamental problem: two dashboards that both claim the win. If you provide Meta and Google the same conversion data, both will take full credit. When you sum up their reported revenue, you often find a total that is far higher than what your bank actually received. This occurs because of three key issues. First, everyone claims the sale. Second, default look-back windows hide the truth. And finally, there is no single source of truth between the two. The question for modern marketers has stopped being, what did each platform report, and has become what actually moved the customer. We must stop measuring a business that does not exist. Now, let us go head-to-head with Meta Custom Attribution versus Google's measurement stack. Both offer significantly more control than the old defaults, yet they approach the problem from opposite ends. Meta allows you to set custom conversion windows, choose between click and view credit, and feed server-side signals through KPI, though reporting remains within Meta's ecosystem. Conversely, Google utilizes data-driven attribution by default, uses value rules to adjust conversion worth, and leverages GA4 and marketing mix modeling for a broader cross-channel view. Understanding these distinct architectures is crucial for any advertiser looking to optimize spend. Meta focuses on walled garden performance, while Google attempts to integrate search, YouTube, and PMax into a unified journey. Both are powerful, but they require different management strategies to be effective. Beyond the platforms themselves, we must manage the 6 levers that decide who gets credit. Attribution is not just one setting, it is a stack of strategic choices. We have conversion windows that decide credit based on time, and conversion values that change what a win is worth. We look at attribution models, whether last click, data-driven, or modeled, and first-party signals like KPI and enhanced conversions. Most importantly, we have incrementality tests and cross-platform holdouts, which act as the neutral referees for your budget. The common thread here is that every single lever shifts credit between platforms. If you do not align these levers, your platforms will essentially be fighting over your budget, leading to inefficient spend and skewed performance metrics that can mislead your overall corporate growth strategy and financial planning. To navigate this, you need a coherent cross-platform strategy. You cannot make two black boxes agree, but you can build one framework they both report into. This involves 4 essential steps. First, pick a neutral source of truth, such as GA4, an MMM, or a back-end database, to act as your referee. Second, align your windows so both platforms are counting the same events. Third, feed clean first-party data through CAPI and enhanced conversions consistently to ensure signal quality. Finally, validate everything with holdouts. Stop summing platform ROAS. Instead, anchor to one source of truth and use each dashboard for its specific technical strengths rather than for final budget decisions. However, there are 5 major pitfalls where this attribution race can mislead you. The most common is summing platform ROAS, which produces a fictional total due to double-counting shared conversions. Then there are mismatched windows, where you compare a 7-day Meta window to a 30-day Google one. This is comparing 2 different questions entirely. We also see view-through inflation, where platforms claim sales they merely witnessed rather than caused. Without holdout tests, you are simply grading each platform on its own homework. Lastly, avoid chasing the last console, shifting budget to whoever reports best rewards measurement tactics rather than actual business performance. These traps produce confident decisions based on entirely false numbers. We conclude with the cross-platform attribution playbook. This framework is built on 3 pillars: anchor, align, and reconcile. You must anchor to a neutral source and define the conversions that truly matter to your bottom line. You must align your settings, matching value rules to real economics and keeping models consistent. Finally, you must reconcile through geo or audience holdouts to identify real incremental revenue. Remember, the winner of this attribution arms race is not Meta or Google. It is the advertiser who refuses to trust either platform blindly and instead demands a unified, data-driven story. By applying this playbook, you sharpen your spend instead of inflating your ego. Thank you for your time. If your advertising isn't delivering the results you expect, the problem may not be the budget, It may be the strategy. At Namster Marketing, we help businesses turn advertising into a predictable growth engine. Book a free consultation with our team and let's explore how we can help scale your results.